Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you the most basic smokes for map the CACHE. But before we start, as you will see in the video, I'm using my own config, thanks which I can see the grenade trajectory, show impacts and many more. So basically, if you want to know how to create this kind of config, just watch one of our previous videos. But now let's go for the smokes. Okay, first smoke is for the Z, aka connector at the mid. Okay, so basically you are throwing it from T-spawn and you will aim here, right where the middle line is and to the top of this, and you will run to the front till you will hit the third line, the start of the third line actually. Then you will jump throw. So let's do it. And as you can see, the mid connector is smoked. Okay, and you can actually throw the same smoke for the Z from the second line. So then you will just aim here at the top and you will run till you will hit the wide line, jump throw. And as you can see, the Z is perfectly smoked again. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you the smokes for the mid when you want to throw smoke like here, and you can play around the vent or whatever you want. For this actually you need two people, so somebody who knows this smoke too. But actually for the left smoke you will stand here, the right side of the entry of the main, and you will aim right here to the like 3/4 of this, I don't know what is, window, and then just left click. As you can see, this is the left smoke. And for the right side you will go on the opposite side, so to the left, and you will again aim to like 3/4 of this window. So simply throw like this. So basically when you and your friend will throw it, it will look like this. And then you can actually come and easily go out from the mid, because as you can see, nobody from Z can see you, nobody from white box can see you, and you can like play around it easily. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke here right between the red truck and the forklift. So you will simply come to main and you will run through the smoke towards this top of a green blanket like here. So run through. And as you can see, it is perfectly smoked. There are no gaps on the sides. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you the smoke for A short. So actually you will come here to this first line on the T-spawn and you will line right in the middle. Then you will find, like you can see here, those sequences of the windows. You will find the second one and you will aim to the third window at the bottom row and then just jump throw. And as you can see, the A short is smoked. Okay, next smoke I'm going to show you is for this part of A side, and you can throw it actually from the garage mid. So you will simply come here and you will find the edge of this like I don't know what it is, vents, let's call it. And then as you can see here, this tube, you will aim between those two parts, those two lines. So simply then just jump throw. And as you can see, we just separated the quad and the default and NBK from us, and we can simply run anywhere we want. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you smoke for back side of A. That means that player from the quad can't see actually your players at the short. So you will simply jump here on this box and then you will aim like is this first line that is visible on the sky. You will aim under it and on the right side, so like this. And as you can see, the side is smoked, so basically when that is open, he can't see your players. Okay, nextly let's say that you want to re-smoke this part of A side and you are in the door. So simply you will come here to the wall and you will line up to actually right side of those boxes will disappear behind the doors. You will crouch and then you will aim at this part of the box. Simply left throw. And as you can see, it is perfectly re-smoked Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke heaven at the A side, so we will simply come here to the corner of this pallet and you will throw the smoke right like this gap at this star sign, so here, and jump throw. And as you can see, the heaven is perfectly smoked. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke the entrance for the garage, so you will simply come here to this like left side of the doors, and then you will aim to the fifth, like this line on the windows, so 1 2 3 4 5, then go up till you will hit this like cross of the lines, and you will do slightly run throw, but really just shortly run, so like this. And as you can see, the main is perfectly smoked, so you can basically go to the vents and play around it easily. Okay, next if you want to smoke city from B main actually, so you can come here to the toxic and then make sure that the windows are broke, all of them, and you will jump here and go into the corner actually, and you will throw nade to the second dot from the right side. So you can see here one dot, but here at the second one you will throw, just simply left click the smoke. And as you can see, the perfectly smoked city. Okay, but let's say that you are in the main and you don't remember the smoke actually, so you can throw the smoke for city from main 2. Just line up that you will actually, that the doors will actually disappear for you. Then you will aim for this like left side of, I don't know what it is, but then simply run throw. And as you can see, city is smoked perfectly in the middle. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke heaven from the main, so we will simply come, aim up from the doors of checkers and like slightly run throw, aim really high, slight run throw. As you can see, the heaven is smoked. Or basically you can throw it from this angle too, so like this. As you can see, the smoke will again land to the heaven without they even see you. Okay, next smoke is actually for the A main, so you will simply come to the front of the car and then you will throw the smoke right between like right in the middle of this sign, between this and this red part. So just throw it. As you can see, perfectly landed smoke in the mid, there are no gaps on the sides. Okay, next let's say that you are at this position, smoke in the main is disappearing and you want to resmoke it without even peeking it, so you can simply come here to this corner. Then you will aim to the forklift to the bottom of the dark side, like here, and you will jump through. And as you can see, main is again resmoked. Okay, next let's say that you are city and you want to smoke mid garage and round just started. So simply you will run out of city spawn, you will run here on the ramp, not to the middle but like a little bit on the left side of the ramp. You will come here when the ramp is actually starting and you will aim to the left middle of the window. So let's say that there is the middle of the window and you will aim like to the left side in the mid and just throw. As you can see, perfect smoke for the mid. Okay, nextly, let's say that you are at the B heaven and you want to smoke main, so you can smoke it deeply like this. You will stand to the right side of the doors and then you will aim between the lamp and between these green, I don't know, lines, so like right between them, and run throw. As you can see, the main is smoked. Okay, and if you don't want to throw so deep smoke, so simply you can come here and you will stand again to the right side of the entrance and you will aim to the left top corner of this like sticker or whatever it is and just left throw. As you can see, perfectly centered smoke in B main, no gaps on the sides. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke checkers, so you will simply come here to the ramp. You will find where is this line on the like ramp close to the boxes. You will crouch and then you will actually aim to the B side, still crouch, and you will find this like wood on the top and this, I don't know what it is, but this triangle and you will aim right between the wood and the steel, so throw it. And as you can see, perfect smoke for checker's entrance. Okay, and if you want to throw just really quick and easy smoke for main, just aim like a little bit to the middle and then bounce it from the high ground. As you can see, again, really nice smoke for B main. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you liked it. If you want to see more tutorial videos from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, simply hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe. We really need it. Or if you want to support our channel financially, you can become our patron at the Patreon page, by what you will support our tutorial series at all. But okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is really all for this video. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.